2, 1, go!
And they're taking off in autonomous one more time as 2974 does what they normally do in their programming. They move up to the airship. However, this time the gear is not being able to be placed as the peg moves on them as they move up. 5074 trying to deliver a gear, also having a little bit of trouble with that delivery this time. The gear now in the number 1 rotor. It starts the rotor turning 40 points apiece for each alliance as we have a 55-45 lead for the Blue Alliance. 5632 releases 100 fuel elements out onto the field. As 5074, the Robo Mustangs travel across the neutral zone. They head to the backside of the airship with a gear in their possession. They're lining up on the lift peg. The pilot is trying to lift the carriage as the bot is having a little trouble with position. The pilot tells them where to go. They now are successfully pulling the gear off, placing it in to that second rotor gear set. They need one more gear delivered in order to start that number 2 rotor turning. The Blue Alliance already has their number 2 rotor gear set complete, and they need 2 more gears delivered to their airship in order to start that number 3 rotor turning. Each rotor worth 40 points as the Blue Alliance now has a 95-45 advantage at 70 seconds left to go in the match. There goes 5482. That's Robotics. They've got a gear in their possession. They're delivering one of those gears needed to start that gear set for number 3. As they have one in possession, here comes the second one in possession. They turn the handle and crank, starting that number 3 rotor. 135-45, now 50 as the Blue Alliance has a commanding lead with 40 seconds left to go in the match. 58-40, having a little trouble on the sideline. Their light is blinking. They're communicating. They're just having a little trouble moving right now. All right, there goes 54-82. They're headed down the field. They're at the Blue Alliance airship. But now, 20 seconds left to go. The ropes have been deployed, and the bots are going to try to climb. As the Robo Mustangs, they're up off of the deck. Walton and the other 2 bots are coming up off the deck as Walton finally lifts off the deck. The 1 bot for the Blue Alliance. 2 bots for the Blue Alliance. 3 bots for the Blue Alliance. 1 bot for the Red Alliance, all signaling that they're ready for flight, coming in contact with those touchpads. Each one of those signals indicates 50 points for their alliance. As we have a final score in that match. Coming up in the clouds, the race begins one more time for match number 58 of 64 as the Blue Alliance crosses the line with a score of 285-100 as Walton moves up into the number 3 spot. 56-32, the Ozomovians, they slide into the 5th ranked position, and 50-74